Full breakdown of 8K monthly challenge. Today is the day first. Hello everyone, welcome, marhaba, khush amdeed pakhair rale balaso. In today's video, I will show you the expenses, earning and net profit before tax. Guys, I will show you the realistic result. Some people showing you just the earning and they don't explain you the expenses. So you can see the expenses versus earning and you will see the net profit. Let's dive into the expenses breakdown first. So we have the biggest expense: petrol, daily petrol, food at work. Food at work, sometimes the food is £7, £5, it can be £15, depends what you eat, what you drink. Car insurance is daily £10, mine one. It might be more for some people or maybe less for some people. Car maintenance, car value depreciation is £5. Car value depreciation for my car is average £5 per day. PCN, car wash. So for the day one, my expense was £47 in total. Now let's dive into the full breakdown of the earning. So I work with the Uber, Bolt, Free Now, sometime Amazon Flex as well. But my first day I was working just with Uber because there was an issue with my Bolt account, so I couldn't go online. For the day one out of 30, this is a 30-day challenge, you know that, 8K, £8,000 gross. So my gross earning was £225, including tip, £2 tip. So now let's see the earning after expenses. So after all the expenses, petrol, insurance, everything, I got net before tax £178. But remember guys, this is before tax and the hours at work are 10 hours. Okay guys, so let me know in the comment box, is this good earning £178 in 10 hours working time before tax? Is this good earning or not? Let me know in the comment box, yeah? And I'll be keep posting, so you can follow me, you can subscribe my YouTube channel as well. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Best of luck. One thing more, guys, if you notice anything I have missed in the expenses, kindly let me know in the comment box.